Hi there, we are back again with another video. So there might be situations where you might need to give temporary roles to some members in your server like for 5 hours, for 2 days or any time that you want. So we would be discussing here how to do that. So we would be using Temp Bot for this purpose. The official website for this bot will be given in the description below. You can click on invite temp bot here and invite the bot, or alternatively you can search for it on top.gg and invite it from there. First thing I want to clarify here is that I have premium account thanks to Ziller, the owner of the bot, and multi-role, join role, reaction, and notification are the commands that will only work with premium, though these are not needed by many of the servers, but they do make your life easier. So you can check out the premium version on the server's official server support. First of all, what you need to do after adding the temp bot is you need to go to the roles and put the temp bot or temp premium, whichever you have, to the highest position as possible. It will be able to allot the roles below it and not above it. So I can't give owner role to anyone using temp premium, but I can give other friend support roles to anyone using the temp premium. So first of all, what we need to do after setting up, TB dash is the default prefix that you have. So it has been beautifully divided into three parts: admin commands, staff commands, and public commands. Admin commands can be triggered only by those who have administrative permissions in server. Staff commands can be triggered anyone with manage role or with staff role according to temp premium, and public commands can be done by anyone. First of all, first we need to set up the staff role. If you don't want anyone else than you to have the access to temp, then you can, or don't want to set up the staff role, then you can skip on this part and move on further. So to set up the staff role, we'll do TB staff. So it will give you one beautiful thing about this. What is, whenever you type in a command, it will tell you how to use that command, using what parameters can you use it and all that. So TB staff, if I need to list, will give you the current list of staff. TB staff add TB staff, sorry, TB staff, and then if I want to add a role, like I want to add premium support as a staff role, I will do TB staff plus and then premium support. So it has been added. So now if I want to add a particular member, what I would do is at the rate, like I want to add Asura God. He doesn't have any role right now. So I would want to add him as a staff. So he has been added to staff even though he doesn't have the managerial permissions or the staff role. So staff list will show us once again what all roles have the access to staff commands, what all roles and members have access to staff commands. After setting up the staff, we need to set up the logs, TB logs, TB log. So log channel, I prefer you set up like this: log all hash channel name, which is in my case temp logs. Now all the logs will be registered in temp logs channel. So now let's move on to the important part which you have been waiting for since so long. TB add role. It's a staff command and anyone with manage role or staff role can use it. TB add role. Now how we will use it? Let's see. So first of all, we need to type in the member. So let's try with Asura God. He doesn't have any role right now. So I will give him some role using Temp Bot. At the rate Asura God. We can type in the member name like this, or we can use the ID. Then the role that I want to get, let me give him the premium role. How much long do I need to give? It can be entered second, months, hours, days, and years. So sorry, second, minutes, hours, days, and years. So I will want to give for 5 minutes. So yeah, though premium role has been given, it's currently 8:16 right now, and at 8:20, which is 5 minutes from now, the role will expire. The log has been created, and the person also got a message right now. Ignore the other ones. This we got at right now at 8:16, that you got this role for this much time. So that's how you add a temporary role. It will expire automatically. Now, such a situation arises that you would need to edit the time, or you would need to extend the time. Like you want to give 10 more minutes, or if you had given it for 3 days, you want to reduce the time to 1 day. In that case, they will be using temp edit time, TB edit time. So TB edit time. How we will use it? TB edit time, then the person or the person's ID, then the role that you want to premium. I had given premium, as you can see, it has been allotted premium. I want to extend it. So for extension, we use plus, and if you want to reduce the time, you use minus. So I would want to add 5 more minutes. So I will type 5M, 5 minutes. So yeah, earlier it was expiring on 8:21, but now it will expire at 8:26. So that's how you can extend or reduce the time of the person's temporary role. Now, TB information. TB information will give the information about all the temporary roles that are currently active on our server. So TB info server, what will it do? It will show us the members and the temporary roles that they have and how much time left before those roles expire. And now you can do TB info and select a role to like premium. It will show all the users that have that role, how much time is left for it to end, and which moderator gave them. Moderator in the sense they will be the staff. TV info at the rate person, whoever it is, or their ID will give the temporary role they have, how much time is left to expire, and the staff who gave it. So we are done with add role, edit time information. Before we move to remove role, I would like to show you the TV my role. TV my role is a public command which can be used by everyone. So I'm back here with Asura God's account. It's my alternate account. So let's try this. So TV dash my roles. So it shows me which role I have, for how much time is left for it to expire, and which staff gave it to me. That's how it looks from the user's perspective. So that's how TB my role works. TB help shows this all the commands. TB invite gives you invite link to bot. TB redeem is not for you. TB ping leave it. TB bot shows the bot's information. Now TB set prefix. TB set prefix allows you to change the prefix. TB admin redeem, it's an premium command. TB join role, it's a premium command. Leave it. Reaction notification are also premium command. So only remove role is now if such a situation arises that you want to remove a temporary role from someone, like they violated your rules and you want to remove the temporary role earlier. So what we will do is TB remove role, then we will take the person's name, TB remove role, person's name or their ID, and the role that we want to remove. Here in our case is premium. So it will remove the role and it will be registered in the everything will be registered, like we added the role, we changed the time, and then we remove the role. It all is registered in our logs too. The person will also get a message that your role has been removed for server staff. One last thing that I want to add here is, sorry, yeah. So one last thing what I want to add here is uh, you can use it to create as many temporary roles and assign it to as many people that you can. And for these premium ones, premium features like multi roles, admin redeem, join role, reaction role, and notification, we will be talking about in our next video, as these are premium commands. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon to receive latest videos from us whenever we upload a bot tutorial video or whenever we upload something related to Discord. If you have any doubts, you can contact us on our Discord server. The link will be in description, or contact like the official Temp Bot server. The link will also be included in description. For any other queries, please reach out to us on Discord instead of comments here. See you in our next video. We will be discussing about the premium commands of this bot. Till then, take care. Bye.